Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get a free soundboard in Google Tag. And it works anywhere. Okay, so first we have to get some wireless headphones. They have to be wireless or it's not going to work. Then pair your phone to it. And then you have to find the microphone output, which there's two, one right here and one right here. I'll prefer using this one because it's way easier. And if you have the default strap, I'll prefer like putting that little thing right here because that would be great. But let me show you what you need to do to get it, okay? So first, you're going to want to take your headphones, right? You're going to want to take them, put one of the phones right here, one of them right here. Now play whatever sound you want. It looks perfect. And have the best day of your life. Bye!